Yep, I am moving to a new house and I just got back from work, so I literally stopped to pack.
Tonight is the grand opening of London.
You want me to read the section? And you have to put it together or what?
No, two colors.
Okay. Close the thumb. Close the thumb. Close the thumb. Jeez. You recording? I know you. Yeah.
Over here, come on! What are you doing in this front?
What? Oh my god. Hurry up.
God, Tim. This is a universe, and I want to look crazy, but it's a movie. I am into a new Can I believe you know, I am into a new home with my family. We just moved into this new house with my family, which is so crazy today. I did start this vlog maybe unexpected because we like my baby and I got approved. I'm like, wait, is this actually happening? Like, I like we had been applied to houses and stuff and they wasn't taking it, but when I say the universe was working on us, and I'm so happy that this house came so well with my family, and I'm just so happy that I am in my new room. My bed, this all of my sister and I built this bed, and I love her so much. This is my first ever queen size bed, y'all. Yeah, and y'all can hear the air conditioning blasting in here, so y'all probably can't hear me, but y'all probably can, whatever. I do want to show y'all a house tour, but it's a mess right now. It's a mess. I wanted to do an empty house tour for everybody else so I can get stuff in, but the day I worked there, we had the key to the house. I had to work the day till like day, so I couldn't do it. But hopefully, like when the place starts starting up and look decent, clean, I would definitely do a house tour for you guys in another vlog. But yeah, I just started off the vlog, me not talking, to start packing and stuff. In this couple of vlogs, I didn't really talk, but I didn't have the time to talk. So I was just like, I don't know how to edit this video. But I made to film me and my mom was shopping for the house. I thought I brought my camera, but I didn't because I want to start filming outside, but that didn't work because I forgot my camera. But I about to go back to my other house to get some stuff. Get some other stuff from my other house. I need to bring it here. But yeah, I just want to say this movie vlog is kind of all over the place. One, not me talking. It's kind of crazy. I might do a voiceover. For this whole vlog. But yeah, I want to show you the house show, and I will do that next week of the video. Next week of the video will be me organizing stuff, like my room, my TV here though. But yeah, I'll go show you my room now, how it's looking like. I am gonna do like a whole transformation, but this is my bed. I want new covers, but I need queen size. I mean, it's a queen size, but my bed, I need like a whole new set. I love my bed, y'all. Like my bed, I love her so much. And I got my desk right here, my TV set up. Like I got one other desk, my closet, my mirror right here. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put my closet, how my closet looking like. I put this up there, which is so easy. I think I'm gonna have to stay with it, to be honest, yeah. Don't mind the title right there, but yeah. I just had to like figure out how to do stuff. To figure out how I know how I'm gonna make my room work. I just need the money. But yeah, that's pretty much my room. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed this silent movie. Well, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna add this, but I just want to stop recording. And I wish I could have recorded way earlier for me to pay to me. to talk to y'all, but I messed it up completely. But yeah. This video is pretty much me packing and setting up my furniture and stuff. But yeah, last week video will be better than this. Episode 2 of the movie vlog. Yeah, it's gonna be so much better. I swear. I swear, and I didn't do my intro either. That's crazy. That's crazy. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. See ya.